This is how I make Nigerian stew without tomato. You see this stew? If you try this recipe, you cannot let it go. This is one of the most tastiest stew you will ever make. If you are interested in this video, keep watching. It's not a must you use chicken, no. You can use any kind of protein you can afford or you prefer the taste. So wash your protein, cut it into small bits. You don't want it too big because we are not going to fry this chicken. This stew is so good that after eating it, you will continue craving it. But please follow these steps, okay? Don't overpower the meat by adding excessive spice. I used just those few spice on your screen and I didn't put it excessively. I added it moderately. Mix everything and place the meat on the fire or on the stove or gas, whichever thing you are cooking with. Don't add water. Allow the meat to steam for about 6 to 7 minutes. It will bring out a little bit of water. Then you top it up with more water, depending on the quantity of meat you are cooking. Okay, you don't want the water excessive because this water will serve as the broth that you use in enhancing the flavor and the taste of the chicken stew. Are you following? This is the base for our stew. These are variety of peppers, bell peppers, as we call it, atashi, shombo, chardo. I'll be adding ginger and garlic, just a little bit to enhance the flavor of the peppers. If today is your first time of coming across my channel, hello, I am Ijeoma, and in this channel I make Nigerian food. I simplify it and make it easy for anybody to replicate it easy on their own. I hope you're enjoying this video, and please feel free to subscribe if you like what I am doing. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for sticking to me, and thank you for always supporting this channel, okay? And enjoy this recipe. So guys, story time. I went to the mainland during this Easter break to eat catfish. There is this particular joint I enjoy their catfish so much. They know what they are doing. We used to stay at the mainland, so I like that particular joint. They have a lot of vendors saying a lot of things. So when you enter, the vendors will come and ask you, do you want this? Do you want that? There are people selling crocker, chicken, vegetable, bole, asun, all those things. So the catfish guy approached me. I told him what I want. That I don't want their cream in my salad. He just bring the salad like that, because they normally wrap the salad with some potato chips. So always go for the salad without the cream. So after giving him instruction and he brought the catfish when it was ready, it was so good. They did disappoint. When I was taking it down with my favorite drink, the next thing I was hearing bish. A table not far from us. It turns out a customer that came there after eating stuff that he bought with the girlfriend or whatever, I don't know, his partner, they almost escaped without paying. That's one of the disadvantages of how those people they serve you and they allow you to start eating, and after some time they'll come and remind you of payment. They don't ask you to pay immediately you order for the catfish. They just tell you the price so that you know if you something you want to purchase. So these people almost escaped without paying. Imagine, in this hard time in this country. So they caught him before he could escape and gave him some blues. I ended up transferring the money. It turns out that the girlfriend has already left, so he wanted to escape before he was caught. Now, wow. So how did your Easter break? How did you enjoy it? So we have come to the end of the video. This is the last thing I'm adding to this chicken stew. This is spring onions, but you can use any kind of leaf or vegetable of choice. You can eat this stew with rice, pasta, yam, potato, and so on. It is so good, guys. If you try this stew, You will never make any other type of stew again. These are all the things I paired it with, and it came out so good. I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to subscribe to this channel if you have not done so already. Bye.